السلام علیکم. السلام علیکم. سیدنا.
Assalamu alaikum, Shan, Rizwan. How are you guys doing?
Alhamdulillah, fine. How are you?
I want something that I believe everyone at home should know before you begin reciting. What time or how early did you arrive before this program and before the doors had even opened?
4:45. Yeah.
At 4:45.
5, mashallah.
So they were here a couple of hours early. And you came all the way from?
Leicester.
Leicester.
And who did you come all the way from Leicester?
Parents, where are they? Where's the parents? Legend. Where's mom? Where's mom?
Oh, hello, mommy. Fidua.
God reward these parents for raising such people like these two.
And Sayyid Maitham has chosen for you a few nohas. And which one did you eventually decide is the one you'll recite?
Nara Alida.
Nara Alida. And that is originally recited by who, Sayyid Maitham?
This is a manqabat recited by Ali Ji and Ali Shanaba, the sons of Nadeem Sabah.
MashaAllah. No further comment. Best of luck, guys. Shan and Rizwan Hussain. Best of luck.
Stay tuned.
Nara Haidari. Koob Jeda 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 Alida Ubdar nahi Jeda Jeda Alida Ubdar nahi Hone Jannat da hona Hakdar nahi Lao Narayani Koob Lao Narayani Nara حق دے ولیدہ خوب کولا او نارائنیدہ حق دا امام علی نائب رسول حق دا امام علی نائب رسول بابا حسنین دائے شہر بطول شان علی زینت اذان علی دین تے ایمان علی حق دی جان علی زندہ مرشد علی سرکار نہیں زندہ مرشد علی سرکار نہیں انہیں جنت دا ہونا حقدار نہیں لاؤ نارائنی دا خوب لاؤ نارائنی دا علی علی کہن والے ولی بن جاندے نے علی علی کہن والے ولی بن جاندے نے شمس بھٹائی لال بری بن جاندے لیکن سونا نام علی آنکھوں سر عام علی حق دا پیام علی بولو صبح شام علی جیڑا من دا علی نو سردار نہیں جیڑا من دا علی نو سردار نہیں انہیں جنت دا ہونا حقدار نہیں لاؤ نارائنی خوب لاؤ نارائنی نارائنی دا یعنی حق دے ولی دا خوب لاؤ نارائنی دا علی جے جگ اتے کوئی با کمال نہیں علی جے جگ اتے कोई बाकमाल नहीं अली दिया ताकतां दी कोई भी मिसाल नहीं नबी दा वीर अली जगदा अमीर अली मोमिना दा पीर अली साडा दस्तगीर अली जिंदे दिल विच अली दा प्यार नहीं जिंदे दिल विच अली दा प्यार नहीं उन्हें जन्नत दा होना हकदार नहीं लाओ नारा अली दा खूब लाओ नारा अली दा मजमा सिहाजियां दा खुमदा मैदान सी मजमा सिहाजियां दा खुमदा मैदान सी मन कुन तो मौला कीता नबी ने ऐलान सी बोला जहान अली नबी दिए जान अली शेर यज़दान अली शाह मर्दान अली जेड़ा करदा अली दा इकरार नहीं जेड़ा करदा अली दा इकरार नहीं उन्हें जन्नत दा होना हकदार नहीं लाओ नारा अली दा खूब लाओ नारा अली दा नारा अली दा यानी हक दे वली दा खूब लाओ नारा अली दा खूब लाओ नारा अली दा
Shut down, absolute shutdown of the whole process. Golden buzzer, silver buzzer, red buzzer, any color buzzer that you can think of. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Guys, a round of applause for the dear father as well, guys, for the dear father.
And for the love of this two brothers. And for the love of these two brothers and their parents,
I think we did much better than the previous performance. I think we took on the judges' advice and implemented that in this one.
Say it, your thoughts.
Well, it's not just thoughts. The head of Imam Hussein TV, Haji Qasim Fahad. Give him a round of applause, by the way. Haji Qasim came to me midway through the performance, and he said to me, they win, they don't win, Imam Hussein TV will sponsor them to recite in Kerbalā in honor of Imam Hussein alayhi salam. That, I think, you can call a golden buzzer moment, no doubt.
Ahsantum.
Proud?
I don't have words. Thanks very much.
God bless you.
Yeah, thank you.
God bless.
Thank you.
Oh, Allah, I'm really proud. MashaAllah. God bless. Judges, 10s all the way around?
I think it's full
Let's
10s.
end it there. 10s all the way around.
Congratulations, guys. You're through to the final. Ahsantum.
Before we get off the stage, I also wanted to point out they were the first ones to take off their shoes before they got here. They set the tone for all the ones who followed afterwards. But you see where they got that from.
SubhanAllah.
The parents teach that in their akhlaq. MashaAllah, MashaAllah, Jazakallah.
Guys, one loud round of applause, please, for Shan and Rizwan Hussain.
Wow. How do you guys feel?
Excited.
If you don't smile, I'm going to be really angry.
Overwhelmed, to be honest.
Did you expect that all 4 judges and the parents and everyone else comes on stage?
No, just quite shocked, to be honest.
Honestly, you're so in sync. How much do you guys actually practice?
I think at the start we practiced a lot. Not since we've been coming on the Shia TV. I think Shia Voice. Sorry. Yeah, we've been practicing quite a lot.
You guys understand that you guys are world class. I hope you know that. You're only still teenagers. You got a big future ahead of both of you. And now, congratulations, you're going Kerbalā. Listen, when you guys go, let me know. I'll come with you guys. Yeah. Good job. Thank you.